Many undocumented students lack the information they need to pursue an affordable college education. But one thing is certain, the resources exist, and they were shared here today at the Educators and Immigrant Youth Summit.
So the cross-campus organizing network started once the administration changed, and we sort of saw that a lot of students around campuses felt like they were being pointed out, and they sort of were frightened to the idea that a lot of these people felt the need to attack them. And then we noticed that there was a lack of sort of coordination and partnership among all of our institutions. So that's why we decided to create this summit. That this is our second summit. We went for 75 to 160 people, and it's just so that we can educate people so that they can take action, because at the end of the day, in order to take action, you need to be educated, and not only educate professors and students, but parents and staff and administrators.
A lot of students and families don't know that these opportunities are out there, so we want them to learn how to access this information. And to see if they're eligible to get these discounts for in-county or in-state tuition.
Although Maryland's undocumented students cannot apply to FAFSA, they are now eligible to apply to the Maryland State Financial Aid application through the Maryland Higher Education Commission.
Something that has personally changed my life is the Dream That US scholarship. It has opened doors. It has given me the opportunity to continue to access higher education. And so I also encourage DMB students and MC students to apply and see how they can go to local schools.
Right here! Right here!
For MC Today, in Silver Spring, I'm Carolina Galeano.